Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to self-host Node-RED and make it publicly accessible using Pinggy. Step 1. Install Node-RED. Before installing Node-RED, check that Node.js version 17 or higher is available. Now open your terminal and run this command. This installs Node-RED globally. Let's verify the installation. Run the command to check the version. You will see something like Node-RED version 4.1.3, which means everything is installed correctly. Step 2. Run Node-RED. Now paste this command and run it. This starts the Node-RED server. Node-RED is running on localhost, port 1880. Final step, set up Pinggy tunnel. Open a new terminal window and run this command. It instantly generates a public URL like this for your local Node-RED server. Now let's test it. I'm opening an incognito window. Copy this link, paste it here. Click Enter Site. Nice! Node-RED is now live on the internet. In the terminal, you can see the live logs showing incoming connections and activity in real time. You can build workflows, access them from anywhere, and even share your Node-RED setup with anyone. Thanks for watching.